Digital thermometer, also called clinical thermometer, is used for measuring human or animal body temperature. Digital thermometers work by using heat sensors that determine body temperature. They can be used to take temperature readings in the mouth, rectum, or armpit. When assessing digital thermometer readings, keep in mind that armpit temperature runs about 1/2 to 1 Fahrenheit cooler than oral. How to clean or sanitize a thermometer. Use a cotton swab dipped in alcohol to clean inside any small crevices. Allow the alcohol to air dry on the thermometer to effectively kill germs. If desired, rinse the device under cool water to remove traces of alcohol, taking care not to wet any electronic elements such as the display. Hazards and risks in using a digital thermometer. They contain no potentially hazardous liquids that can spill if broken. However, many of the electronic thermometers contain button cell batteries, which can be very harmful if swallowed. And they get damaged easily if dropped and the battery powering them eventually runs out.